First, take a look at these old professional websites. These old websites are created using just one single AI tool. Let me show you all example. Now you can see this website is also created using AI. You can see all of the animations, images, text effect, everything is done by AI, even the background and all stuff. So let me show you how you can create these beautiful websites too for your brand. So if you're looking to create your professional pages in seconds, then this video is a complete tutorial how you can do it. So let's get started. First of all, to create these kinds of landing page, all you need to do is just head over to aura.build. I will put link of this website in description box below. Once you're on this website, you will see this kind of interface. Now don't worry about it, you will also get 20 free trial prompts so you can test this tool and you can cancel the trial too. So now let's get started to build our first landing page here. So here you can see we have a prompt box where we can give it a prompt to build a landing page. So I already have this prompt, you can see. Create a futuristic dark SaaS landing page for Nova Flow, an AI workflow automation platform, and we have the complete prompt ready. I will just copy this prompt here. Go back to Aura and paste this. You can see you also have option like design system if you have some specific designs in your mind, or you have the design.md. You can upload the design from MD here. You can import from URL or you can import from template too. Then we have the font pairing, color theme, what color are you looking for, spacings, radius, and we have complete access here. You can customize any of these, like if you want to add some your own animations, like you have that animations themes available. So we have the framework HTML plus JavaScript or React plus White. Then we have the different models available like Gemini 3.1, Gemini 3.5 Flash, GPT 5.5, Claude Opus 4.8, which is available on Pro plan. Then for the image generation, because we have the integrated image generations, so we have GPT Image 2 and Nano Banana 2. And if you click on show more, we have lots of other models available too, like Grok 4.3 and Gemini 3 Flash as well. So I will keep default to Gemini 3.1 Pro. Then you have option to attach some design references, components or templates. Just click on this and you can select it from here. And then if you want to upload some file, you can add the file from here. Then we have import website URL. Then we have the Figma. If you want to import your design from Figma, you can definitely import it too. Just click on this and you just need to paste your Figma URL and Figma API token, and you can just click on this import button. If you don't already have a Figma token, just click on this get token button and you can create a token from here. Now let's go back and I will just send this prompt. So I just started to build the landing page as well. Here you will see the preview, and if you go to the design, here you can see the complete design once it's ready, and we have the code section here where you will see all code in real time. Then we have the fonts, colors and assets if any image is used in this website, or if you want to add some, you can do it from here. Then we have the video and image too. So now let's wait for it to complete, then I will show you more of its feature as well. It hardly took 2 minutes and our page is now ready. Here you can see all of the feature is working too. Like if you want to go to pricing, just click on this pricing button and it's working. Now you can see this design. Now let's customize it together. First of all, you have the option called assets. I will just click on this. Then we have the loads of video and images available to add to your website. So what I will do is I will just go to components and we will click on show all, and let's see what components we have here. I added this component. Let's see what it shows. So here you can see the components is added. Now you can see the animation style and everything else. And this is our final website looks like. But if you see, we can also edit text just by clicking on this. Like if you want to change this, you can just change it too. And if you want to change anything, just click on that and you can just change it. If you want to add anything, you want to change the text, you want to change the margin, inline CSS, we have the complete option to change anything, like add some, even if you want to change the color, typography, appearance, we can change anything from here. Now let's say if you want to change this name to, let's say, make flow, then you can change it from here as well, and your name is now changed. And same here, if you want to attach some different images here, you can do it from assets. We have the video attach options too. Then we have the image. If you want to remove a component, just click on this remove button and your component will be removed. Let's say we can try adding a different component from here. We will go to next, and let's say what should we add. Let me just choose one from here that we can, and let's try adding this. And now this is added too. You can see it looks much more clean. So this is how you can also add components. Now if you want to see the mobile view, just click on this, and here you can see the complete mobile and the tablet view. This is our website looks like on mobile. And not just that, you can create more beautiful website as per your prompt too, and you can later customize it. And if you go to the code part, you can see the complete code and you can even make changes with that. If you click on anything, like if you want to change the start for free button, if you click on this, it will automatically take you to the code where it's been written, so you can change it from code as well. Now we have the prompt box. If you want to revise anything or if you want to remake it, then you can do it from here. You can attach some reference. You can also create images using GPT Image 2 and Nano Banana 2. Both models are available to create images here. You can see the final website once again. So this is how it looks like. And if you want to export this, just click on export button. Then we have copy HTML, download, convert to React, and copy to Figma. Let's say if you want to download the HTML file of this, just click on this and your HTML file is downloaded. If I click on this, you can see this is our complete website on HTML2 with complete background. And if you want to publish this, just click on this publish button. You can also connect to custom domain or you can publish it to subdomain too. And then for the SEO, you have the complete SEO option to search visibility, page, title, keywords, description, light talk, preview image. You can also customize SEO from here. Then also attach Google Tag Manager or Google Analytics to see your complete website analytics. Now you can also build from templates. You have lots of templates available here. You can choose any of them and remix with those too. Now we have also the skills. You can see AI agent skill for the front end teams and web designer. We have the design.md where you can just upload your design.md here, or you can import from templates as well. Now let's talk about the pricing. So you can start a 3-day free trial too. Then if you go to the monthly plan, we have the pro plan starts with $25 per month. And if you go with annual, you will get this for $12.5 per month. Then we have the max plan, then the ultra plan. So link is in description box below. You can try free trial first. Then if you like it, you can go with these pricing plans. So that's all for today's video. I will meet you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.